I love buying old crap broken cars, whether it's on eBay or Copart. I love the journey of saving this thing from being scrapped or thrown away. But obviously the biggest issue with that is that I can't actually get them anywhere. Normally I would get them towed or pay someone else to drop them off, but that's time consuming and normally uses someone else that has to be there. I've always wanted a car trailer because it gives me the access to get any vehicle that I want when I want, which means more and more projects. The problem is a car trailer is anywhere between £1,000 to £7,000. That's a little bit of out of budget for me. But then one day when I was doing my morning Facebook Marketplace shop, I stumbled upon this trailer for £400, bargain, which gave me the idea. If I fixed up this trailer for under £700, I can then use that for doing vehicle transportation services on the side with my handyman business, which pays for the trailer and also allows me to buy more project cars. It's a win-win. So that very same morning, I installed a tow bar on my van and picked up the new driveway eyesore. This video is sponsored by BIMSON Power. This trailer is definitely on the cheaper side for a reason. It's a total mess. The tyres are dry rotted. I think there's about 30-40 layers of different paint on there and a lot of rust, but it's all fixable. And for £350, which is what I got it down for, I think that's a bargain. So dry rotted. That's terrible. So rusty. Yummy. Wheels are off. These things are in terrible condition. They were just ready to blow up on the road. Really unsafe. But nonetheless, there are other cheap second-hand tyres that will go on later. 20 quid a tyre, absolute bargain. I had a great idea with these tyres and I'm going to paint them now while they've got the crap tyres on, which means I don't have to do anything masking because I hate masking. Paint them all and stuff, which will be fine. And then replace the tyres, and obviously the older tyres will have the paint on them, which is a lot easier. So, and then the backs are going to be done in a black just to stop any further rusting, but it doesn't need to be anything fancy. They're all freshened up, all that big layer of surface rust is gone, and also wash them down. Use a bit of car wash and a degrease as well, just so the paint does stick really well. The back is going to be black and then the fronts are going to be white, because obviously the backs you can't really clean, so I don't mind them getting dirty. backs you can't clean, so black's a good colour, and then the front being white to go with the other colour of the trailer, which I'll show you later. And then also, these are the old tyres, so I can paint on these ones, and it doesn't matter about masking because the masking is going to take ages. I don't have to do that, I can just paint over them, which genius move. So yeah, that'd be right, no masking, paint them all up, and then take them to the tyre shop, get them replaced, yada yada yada. Quite funny having a colour change, but looking a lot better now. Time to get those ugly tyres replaced. Looks so much more better. Not a dry rot anymore. Got some proper tread. One of the next important jobs is to get the winch plate actually attached to where the winch used to fit to. Obviously before it had quite a basic system, now it's got one of these slightly larger platforms, so should be able to just sit in like that. Pretty easy going. A big thank you to BIMSON Tower for sending out this winch. This one I went for is the Stealth 4500, which can take about 2,000 kilograms and also has a synthetic rope. This thing comes with 2 controllers, fully waterproof, and also 1 extra wired in control. I've been using it for a while now and I'm very impressed with everything. Also, it's red, so it's basically like the Ferrari of winches, if you know what I mean. They've got plenty of other winches available though, for whatever you're looking for, and I'll leave a link down below. Thank you very much BIMSON for sponsoring this video. It's now time to finally paint this ugly looking thing, because it's a bit of an eyesore on the driveway, that's for sure. see you've got about 4 or 5 different layers of paint. This is insane. So many. So here's a colour. I've gone for a really dark blue with the white wheels. I think it'll be a really nice match, and it's something different than, I don't know, black or whatever other colours there are, grey, boring colours. There we have it, that's the trailer build all done and dusted. This one was just quite a nice little simple project, not too complex, but this now means I'm able to go get any projects that I want, and I can also start to do vehicle transportation along with my handyman business, which is really good to make a bit of extra money. However, the trailer is actually too small for any bigger cars than that small Porsche. This is something I completely overlooked, but nonetheless I managed to sell the trailer for £1,000, making a £500 profit, and obviously I kept the winch. But with that money I'm going to buy an even bigger trailer so I can do these vehicle transportation. And a big shout out to BIMSON for sponsoring this video. Definitely go check them out for any of your off-road winching needs or whatever it is. Anyway, see you in the next video where I go pick up my new Italian project.